Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and today we're gonna do another spooky look. This one is just gonna be more of a traditional Halloween color combo, purple and green. I know I think I used purple in my first one, deep in that little socket there, so I'm gonna try to stay away from that because it is my favorite thing to do, but I think we're just gonna do a halo eye, something pretty simple. I'm gonna mix some palettes together. I actually want to use my new Tinkerbell palette, even though that's for my kit. I'm also gonna be using the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place, and then a few duochromes. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with this darker color called San or San here. And I am gonna mix that with a lighter green as well. Do I want that fluffy? I don't know if I want this fluffy of a brush. Okay, this is a Wayne Goss 19. We're gonna start with this and see how it goes. I've got you zoomed in a little bit. Again, we're starting with San right here. Boop, boop. Does anybody else make weird noises? Even in Kung Fu class, I do that. Yep, boop, boop. All right, let's see if I can get a good angle here. Isn't this the most beautiful mirror? All right, gonna do inner outer corner. We'll see where it goes. That's the plan, but my plans never really go to plan, so we'll just see. I like to do a lot of layering when I play with kind of more fun looks, so bear with me here. So I really, it's kind of like a foresty green. Really like that color a lot. I'm actually just gonna take that same brush and layer in a brighter green. I think I'm gonna layer in Sleep from that Tinkerbell palette. It's like a bright minty color. It's insanely beautiful. Just gonna take that same brush. I haven't even wiped it off because we're just gonna blend these two babies together to get a little bit of brightness. And blend out the edges just a bit. I don't know if you can see that at all. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So I'm kind of just going over the whole thing to blend in so that that darker green is acting as more of a base. Like a layering base. Okay, I like that a lot. I love green, so it's hard for me to not use green, you know what I'm saying? So I think what I'm gonna do, well, I say that, but let me just be quiet until I figure it out. I was gonna say what I was gonna do in the lower lash line, but all right, I think I'm gonna take a clean brush and just buff out the edges there. Nothing like rubbing that off on your pajama pants. Just a big fluffy brush here. I'm just gonna buff the edges. You know, a lot of people do their brows first, but I feel like I would mess them up because of how much blending and how much lid space I have. I kind of get in, oh my God, there was glitter on this. What the, oh well. But like I kind of get into my brows because I don't have a lot of lid space. So that's why I don't do my brows first, if you've ever wondered my order of things. So we can always go back in and layer more if we need to, which we might need to, but yeah, let's just do a teeny tiny bit more. Actually, I'm gonna use a little bit of Awake, which is this bottom deep color right there. It's a tiny bit deeper than the one, it's actually a little bit more blue as well, than the one in the Tribe palette. So let's do a little layering here. So deepen up. Yeah, that's nice. And then back into the green in the Tribe. Maybe I'm gonna dip into this brighter green in the Tribe. Let's see what that does. Oh yeah, okay. All right, that's where we're gonna stop. I did end up using this green right here in the Tribe palette, that top, that one. So I have a light and a dark from each palette that I kind of blended in together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, even though I already put a base down on my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and put some glitter glue down. Yeah, I'm using the Too Faced glitter glue. I think I wanna try the NYX one. They have two different glitter glues. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use 2 different purple shiny businesses here in the center, and we'll see how it goes. I want to use this purple called Go Rogue in the center of the, it's got a little bit of a blue shift to it right here. This one's a little too warm for what I'm looking for. This one is called Go Rogue, and this is in the It's Belle Break the Rules palette. And then I'm also going to use Unikat from Glamshop. And this is also a very similar tone, so we're gonna layer those. I'm actually just gonna use my finger to start, and then we'll use a brush to blend out if needed. So this is the Go Rogue from the It's Belle palette. All right, so I tap that on. I'm gonna use that clean brush again and kind of just buff these edges a little. I'm wondering now if I should have put a matte underneath it to start, because these shadows kind of crease and fade as the day goes on for me. I don't know how I like that. I don't know. Do I like it? Okay. I went ahead and dipped into Melrose from the Lost in Los Angeles palette, and I think that gives us a little bit more of that purple that I wanted. So we'll just do some layering, and that's what it's about, just playing around. I think I want to pull that purple at the bottom lash line. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, I like that. So I think what I'm gonna do is use this Glamshop one as my inner corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Melrose on the lower lash line with a little pencil brush. Ooh, I like that a lot. Okay, let's do a little bit more of that, and then I think I might actually do an eyeliner today. Okay, yeah, that helps. All right, so I'm gonna tap a little bit of that Go Rogue on the edges, and then we'll leave that that shifty one on the edges, and then we're leaving the traditional one on the center. So shifty, It's Belle on the edges, and then that true purple from the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles in the center. Yeah, okay, and then we're gonna do the Unikat one in the inner corner. This one I probably should wet. Okay, yeah, that really pulls everything together. I like that. All right, I think I'm actually gonna do 2. I'm going to I'm gonna put this NYX Epic Wear liner. This is kind of a brownie purple, like a deep, deep purple. More of an eggplant. I'm gonna rub this, why do I keep saying rub? Stop it. On the actual lash line. So I'm gonna do this one so that I can kind of deepen up that purple at the bottom. And then I'm gonna put this grass green on the waterline. Okay, I'm not sure if you can actually see that eyeliner, but that's where I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna do the other eye, finish up everything else, and I'll let you know what I do at the end. Okie dokie smokies, this is the final look. I don't know if you can see it very good. I always think that in the viewfinder you can't see anything. And then I look back and it looks okay. So hopefully that's the case here. Let me zoom out. All right, so I went ahead and put one of my new blushes on. This is the Be Fitting blush by Essence. Really, really pretty. Just have a gloss on my lips. Went ahead and played with the liners. I stuck with that eggplant at the lash line, and then I did play with a couple in the waterline. All I did on my brows was just a little gel, mascara. I don't usually wear liner, so we'll see how this goes. I feel like I'm gonna be the one to win the Dirtiest Glasses award. Does it look okay? I don't know. I always look back at it and it just doesn't look good. Anyway, we're gonna stop it here. Thanks so much for watching my spooky look number 2, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.